Welcome to the Xerotech How-To Guide, where we will walk you through the critical steps of unpacking, installing and commissioning your Xerotech battery before use. In this episode, we will go through the steps needed to rotate the high voltage connector's locking key. Step 1. Release the locking feature and lift the connector's handle. Step 2. Gently lever the connector position assurance from the front and the back until it clicks, allowing it to slide out. A tool such as a flathead screwdriver may be needed to complete this step. Step 3. Turn the connector onto its side and pull the handle approximately halfway back. Step 4. Pull the handle on both sides to release it from the connector. Step 5. Rotate the connector, insert the handle into the grooves and slide the CPA into position to secure the handle into its new position. If you have got any further questions, reach out to a Xerotech representative from our contact page.